Hey guys, it's sundown and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So what I have today is a small business haul. I bought a Candy Cane Lane collection kit from her. It kind of it goes along with the Candy Cane Lane collection from Prima, Frank Garcia. And so I bought the kit, and it just came in this package, this pink package, and it came wrapped so nicely and so protected. So I already opened the bag to save on time, but now it's stuck again. Wait a second. There we go. It just comes out like that. Oh, look at how everything is packed so beautifully. And this just says Santa, and it has a Santa tag with this beautiful trim from Dollar Tree. That peppermint trim from Dollar Tree, or that's what it looks like. I'm not sure. So let's get this off so we can see what we got. I guess I'll just take them out one at a time. Here is the bows that go with the collection. These bows are pretty. Really pretty bows. I think that's the old bride bow from my creative time. And then she made some of these Christmas flowers. I don't know if they're poinsettias. I don't think so. But those are beautiful. And then just has this little thank you gift, and it is some little like perler bead kind of clay bits or something. And it just says, thank you for supporting my small business. You're welcome. And this is from, I forgot to mention who this is from. This is from Gloria, and I think she goes by another name, but I don't remember that name. But on Instagram, I believe she is Crafty by Nature, and this is who I purchased this from. And then it just comes with these baubles and these charms, which are super cute. These are real cute. Ooh, look at this big one. We got a Santa and a candy cane and a deer and a snowflake and a snowman and Santa again and a reindeer and a snowflake, and we have a candy right there. We have a gingerbread man, and we have a snow globe. Those are adorable. Let's see if I can fit them back in the bag. I'm struggling, guys. Almost there. There we go, and I only dropped one. Sorry, that took me a minute. Those are so pretty. And then it just comes with these. I don't know what I would put in the middle, though. I need some, oh, that's what you do. I was gonna say I need some flares, or I need some of these. And so I can cut out my own, or did she already cut them out? Oh, I'm not sure. I think I have a 1-inch punch. Is that a 1-inch? So those are very pretty. And then we just got this bag of, what is this? Stickers. This is cute. Look at that nutcracker. These aren't stickers, they're like felt, made of felt. But these are all so cute. This is a sticker. These are adorable. These are so cute. So that's the rest of them. So I'll leave that over there. And then it comes with these wood veneers and these wooden Christmas trees. Those are cute. And a wooden angel. It comes with these 3 rosettes. I think there's 6 in here. 6 rosettes. Perfect, 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 perfect. So I don't have to cut them. I don't think I have red crepe paper. Do I? I'm not sure. And then it just comes with these rolled roses. Aren't they pretty? The pink and the white and the red and the white. I love those. Then it comes with these charms. And this whole kit costs $55. And I think it's totally worth it. I'm still going. And then she just has these little flares for the collection. They're so cute. And next we have some beads, which are very beautiful. And these are some wire wrapped candy canes. These are so cute. And snowmen. Wire wrapped candy canes and snowmen. You guys gotta see this. She is so talented. Let's see if I can get this sticker off. These are some tiny bags. So here's like a cute little charm. There's one. And then here is the candy canes. Wire wrapped, bead wrapped candy canes. And then here are the snowmen. So cute how she did that. So cute. And there's still more, guys. I'm just trying to put this stuff back in here. And we got these beads. I think I showed you these. And then we got some cabochons. Let's see what's in here. Oh, they look very pretty. Look how pretty that is. And then you have Santa. Santa and the Nutcracker. This one is adorable. Oh, this snowflake and this deer are adorable. How adorable. And then the last we have is these 3. And those are adorable too. I'll put those back in their bag later. It was hard to get out. And then it just comes with this cute little candy cane lane mix. It's very pretty. And then the last thing we got are these stickers. And these are adorable. The melanated Santa. I haven't found these at my Dollar Tree yet. So Gloria, thank you so much for all your hard work. I really appreciate you taking the time and effort to make everything packaged so nicely, and you can tell that you took a lot of time and spent a lot of energy creating all of this. And so even though I had to pay for it, I still appreciate your effort. It is awesome. So guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.